Bapak Ibu Saudara yang kekasih, dalam pelayanan saya menjumpai orang-orang yang tidak mengenal Tuhan, tidak membutuhkan Tuhan, orang-orang yang sukses pada satu titik kehidupan. Apakah dia terbaring di rumah sakit, apakah mereka tertubruk sebuah masalah, apakah mereka mengalami satu keadaan di mana manusia tidak punya pengharapan, mereka mau diajak berdoa. Prayer, doa.
Man.
Brother Floyd, okay. How you start with prayer?
You start with understanding what Jesus said to his disciples. He said, when you pray, you say, Our Father. Now, what he meant was that you don't necessarily have to pray what we call the Lord's Prayer, but he was teaching them a pattern. And the first thing he says, in order to have your prayers answered and be effective, you must first come and say, Our Father. Now, what's important about that, Pastor, is knowing that we have a Father in heaven. He loves us. He absolutely loves us. And so Jesus said, listen, when you go to pray, say, Our Father, Papa, Daddy, I love you. Approach him knowing that you have a Father. And if you know you have a Father, you know that you have a Father who cares about you. You know a Father who will give. You know that you have a Father who will provide. You know there a Father who will protect you. You know that you have a Father who gave his only Son for you. He has shown that he so loved the world that he was willing to even give his only Son. So what Jesus wanted the disciples to understand is when you come in prayer, know that you're praying already to somebody who loves you dearly. He is a Father.
Even though as a son, if we are away from the Father, or we did something wrong, he forgives us.
He forgives us. That's one of the things that's so amazing about our Father. And that's why Jesus said to come. See, sometimes when people feel like, I haven't done all the things I need to do. I'm not living the way I should live.
Yeah.
I'm not reading my word. I'm not studying. I'm not praying. I'm not doing these things.
Yeah.
And so they think, well, God doesn't want me to come to him in prayer. No, it's complete opposite. Even when you are messing up, even when you're not doing what you think you should be doing, Jesus says, say, Our Father. He still wants you to know you have a Father who is waiting on you to come. He will forgive you when you ask him.
So it means we have to understand our position.
Yes.
Selama posisi kita benar di dalam Tuhan, kita adalah anak-anaknya, maka doa kita menyentuh Bapa di surga. Yang pertama, doa panggil Bapa, dan doa itu berkuasa. That's number one. Call Father.
Father.
He always there when we need him. Right?
Yes.
Okay.
The other thing that's really important is after Jesus said, you say, Our Father, he says to say, which art in heaven. Why is that important? He wanted them to understand that not only are you praying to God, who is your wonderful, loving Father, but he is seated in heavenly places. Now, that's good news, because that means that I'm praying to someone. I can come to my Father, and he is seated above my circumstances. He is above my problems. He's above my pain. He's above my hurt. He's above every principalities and powers and rulers of darkness. He's above everything. And he's able to provide for me because he's sitting in heaven looking down, and there is nothing that he wouldn't do for me that if I ask him in prayer. And so when I go to him in prayer, I must first believe. The scripture says that when you come to him, you got to first believe that he is, and then that he's a rewarder of those who diligently seek him. And so it's important that you understand that he's Father and that he is in heaven. And Jesus said, I'm going to go and I'm going to prepare a place for you. And he said, and if I go to prepare this place, he says, I'm going to come back and I'm going to gather you.
Wow.
I'm going to take you to this place.
Wow.
He's telling them that your Father is already in heaven. He's already prepared a place for you. He's already sitting on his throne waiting to hear your prayer. Sometimes people feel like, does God really want to hear from me? God really does want to hear our prayers. He's in heaven to hear and to listen. And he has the power and authority to answer your prayers.
Allah adalah Allah yang mendengar doa dan dia di atas kita, dia ada di surganya. Sebab itu ada garansi karena dia memiliki segalanya. Apapun yang kita butuhkan dan minta, dia menggaransi memberikan untuk kita sekalian. Sebab itu kita bangga punya Allah yang segalanya. Allah yang maha, maha, maha. Dan untuk itulah kita berdoa, Bapa di surga. Saya percaya doa orang benar besar kuasanya.